Welcome back to Auto Cars Play. Today, we're diving into something truly special. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class. Now, you might be thinking, wait, didn't Mercedes pull the plug on the X-Class a while back? And you'd be right. But what we're looking at today is a reimagined version, a fresh breath of life into what could become one of the most unexpected comebacks in the automotive world. At first glance, the 2026 X-Class is unrecognizable from its predecessor. It doesn't just look like a pickup truck with luxury branding slapped on, it feels like something more refined, more deliberate, and much more premium. This time around, Mercedes isn't just aiming to dip its toes into the rugged truck market. They're making a bold statement: luxury and utility can coexist without compromise. Let's start with the design. It's bold, muscular, and futuristic. The front grille has been completely reworked, featuring a wide LED-lit Mercedes emblem that seamlessly merges into the aggressive headlamp clusters. The hood lines are sharper, giving the X-Class a more dominant presence. The entire frame sits slightly higher, supported by an all-new adaptive air suspension system that adjusts to terrain in real time. Whether you're off-roading or cruising through city streets, this truck adapts. Inside, Mercedes has thrown the traditional pickup interior rulebook out the window. The 2026 X-Class gets the full S-Class treatment: high-grade leather, open-pore wood accents, and dual widescreen OLED displays integrated into a curved glass panel. The MBUX system has been upgraded to include AI-powered voice assistance, gesture controls, and real-time terrain recognition for off-road support. And yes, you can control your ambient lighting settings with just a hand wave, but this truck isn't just about looking good and feeling premium, it's got real power under the hood. The base model comes with a turbocharged inline-six, delivering 362 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. For those who crave more, there's an AMG-tuned V8 variant rumored to cross the 500 horsepower mark. Both options come paired with Mercedes' latest 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, allowing smooth power distribution across all terrains. Another major upgrade? Towing and payload capacity. Mercedes has listened to critics from the first-gen X-Class. The 2026 model can now tow up to 7,000 pounds, with a payload capacity exceeding 1,200 kilograms. And thanks to the smart bed management system, you can lock, monitor, and even weigh your cargo using your smartphone. Mercedes has also invested heavily in safety and tech. From Level 2 autonomous driving features to the newest collision mitigation systems, the X-Class feels more like a luxury SUV with a cargo bed. There's even an optional solar tonneau cover that can power your onboard tools or gadgets through a built-in inverter. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class isn't just a second attempt, it's a total reinvention. This is no longer a rebadged truck, it's a category-defining VE.